Hi, I'm Keith Bledsoe, and I'm the owner here at Smoky Mountain Traders. I personally go out and buy the best cars on the market for you, our customer. Please give us a call with any questions you may have.
Hey everybody, this is Shelby. Welcome back to Smoky Mountain Traders. Today we're going to be checking out this 1989 Ford Mustang GT. If you have any questions at the end of this video, don't hesitate to call us or email us at any time. Come on up and let's check this beauty out. This GT Mustang sports 29,000 original miles and comes with a factory window sticker along with other original documents. You can see that the front bumper is in excellent condition and that down the sides are aero straight. As we make our way around the driver's side, we can see that the body lines flow beautifully from the front to the rear. Come on up and let's check out the interior. The interior is done with black and gray color scheme that flows perfectly with the exterior. Looking across the dash, you can see that it's like new along with all of the gauges that are working as they should. It comes with a factory AC that is working along with the original radio. The seats are done in gray and all are in phenomenal condition. Also, it has a gray boot to match when the top is down. Now that we checked out that beautiful interior, let's make our way around the back. All of the taillights are like new along with the rear bumper. It also has the luggage rack on the trunk and all of the gaps are even and symmetrical. As we make our way around the passenger side, I'm going to take a step back so you can get a better appreciation of this beautiful Mustang. The GT is covered in the black paint that has a gorgeous finish. And as you look over the body, you'll notice how stunning it is. All of the body lines are gorgeous and there are no dings or dents down the sides. It's set off by the chrome 16-inch pony wheels. Now that we've been around the exterior, come on up and let's look under the hood of this Ford Mustang. It's powered by the 5.0-liter V8 engine that looks brand new. This entire engine bay is just as clean as the day it came off the showroom floor. The V8 is mated to the automatic transmission, and it comes with power steering, power brakes, and a disc on the front. When you look under this Mustang, you'll be impressed as it has all of the original floors with no signs of damage. On the highway, it performs excellent with no issues. Thank you so much for checking out this beautiful Ford Mustang with me. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call or email us at any time. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Have a great day!
Thanks for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.